manu ake vai anu he vai da vai a onu mai tale ua matanoi onu vai alai ke kanoi ba ona we e na vai nei te utai ma pude ala tala uai ai ana alohi au ipo ike da vai tu au tamalihin ahe o itahakala onu alo ka ono iwa ko kola itamo ai anai rehi poli hale itapapa ahe lehi matehi ana tamalihin uana ni mana italikula talon tanapa iaina Ike one tani onori, kohuai oli ngare o ne mai. Aina, ia mai na kapua na e o hali alaunani, to ino.
In 2017, we had the privilege of dancing this mele at the Mary Monarch. This is a chant for Kapi'olani. It was one of her rain chants, and subsequently that year there was a lot of rain. And we want to remind our lahui of the power of mele and the puana, the ho'opuka'i of the mele, the actual execution of the mele. And we want to send this out to our hula sister who recently passed. Hina is a hula sister of Tracy and I. We come from the same hula master, Kimo Alamakiaolana, who taught us this mele. And we recently lost one of our hula sisters who, if there wasn't anybody that was kawaii, it was her. She was kawaii. And just when the women went into Kanyo Nohide, I can remember us going to Kauai and her talking about Nohidi and taking us in the forest. She go into the forest, we come out, we in awe of the Mokihana and everything, the Plapalaya and the Lawa and all the maida that's up there in Koke. She comes out with about 5 leis already made. And so we want to dedicate this to Kauai Iki, Olores, our Tita Huna, Wai'oli.
Ai, au hea wale ana oi, e ka ua loku o Wai'oli. Au hea wale ana oi.
Au hea in hao e sa ua o tu o Wai'oli.
Au hea wale ana oi.
Au hea in hao e ta ua o tu o Wai'oli.
Ka manawa pehu ke ia.
Manawa pehu te Ai hino